When you build a business, whatever is happening in your business, in your career, is a reflection of who you are. So, ibig sabihin, kung wala kang clarity, pati customers mo, hindi rin magiging klaro ano bang binebenta mo, ano bang negosyo mo. Kasi kung wala kang clarity as an entrepreneur, malamang sa malamang, yung mga empleyado mo, wala rin clarity. Hindi nila alam yung gagawin nila, hindi nila alam kung sino sila as an employee, hindi nila alam kung anong kumpanya yung pinasok nila kasi yung mismong may-ari, walang clarity. So, ibig sabihin, it's very important that on a personal level, you have 100% clarity with what you want, who you want to become, and why. So that, in order to expand to the next level right here, so ang una natin titingnan dito, dapat klaro din yung tinatawag nating inner circle or what we call your team or employees. Or maybe we can say your leaders. Dapat malinaw sa inner circle mo, sa team mo, sa employees mo, kung ano yung gusto nila. Ang tawag dyan guys, individual goal. At alam din ng lahat yung tinatawag na common goal. At alam nila yung vision.